Let's go through LeetCode the 974 Subarray sums divisible by k. For this question, it gives us an integer array nonce and integer k. It let us to return the numbers of subarrays that have a sum divisible by k. So apparently, that's what we need to do to count the subarray numbers. We can use something like prefix sum, right? We add a 0 at the beginning. And for every prefix of every numbers, we have prefix I equals from 1, right? Prefix I minus 1 plus nonce I minus 1, right? And we know the array which from I to j, right, which is included the subarray. The subarray sum will be p j plus 1 minus pi, right? And for this one, for we need to get the subarray a prefix sum the counts. That means, for example, if we have a prefix sum which appears previously, right? If we have a value prefix sum, that means from this I to this j minus 1, right? We can find subarray. Yeah, which is from this I include this j minus 1. So how many subarrays can be divisible by k? That means if for every prefix sum, if we model k, right, model by k, if this kind of prefix sum appear, for example, appear 3 times, then that means we can have one subarray here, one subarray here, one subarray here, right? So we can use the map to record the prefix sum appears how many times. Then if we have count this number, the prefix sum, if the map contains this key, and we're just trying to see how many this prefix sum value appears previously, then our result will add this number, right? So this one is just ask us to, because the subarray need to be divisible by k. So our prefix sum, every time we calculate this prefix sum, we just model it by k, right? And because it has a negative number, if it is smaller than 0, then plus equal to k. So let's begin to write code for this. We are going to use prefix sum map, okay, map integer and integer, and the key will be the prefix sum value, and the value will be how many times this prefix sum appeared. We know for the prefix sum map, we'll have a prefix sum at the beginning. So for the prefix sum, it is one more integer than let's say nonce. At the beginning, we'll put a 0 at the beginning, right? So that means for this map, we need to put this number 0 because it appears once, right? So we have result equals 0 for int nonce that have prefix sum equals prefix sum plus not by k, right? And because there is negative number in it, so if we have prefix sum smaller than 0, okay, then our prefix sum the negative number, when we come out, it is just from -1 to minus k, right? So it will pass equal to, okay. So this map it may contain this prefix sum. So we'll have in account those prefix sum map get or default prefix sum. It does not contain this key, right? It's just there, right? So we'll have result as equal to sum, and we'll update this prefix sum map. But prefix sum and count plus one, right? Because it appears one more times. So in the end, we just return result. Okay. The time complexity will be ON, space that is also ON, which has a linear map, right? And if we don't want to, yeah, we need to have a map to count it, to have its count. Okay.